Hi, I'm Katie of Cat Dick Cooks. This is my friend Claire. A couple of summers ago, Claire temporarily moved to Korea. We wanted to stay in touch, but it was really hard due to the time difference, and every time we seemed to FaceTime, it looked like one of us was cooking breakfast or dinner. One time I was making squid, and I explained the whole marinade to her. So it inspired us to do a little bit of an experiment. Two long-distance friends make the same recipe with little to no communication and compare end results. And this video is the result.
Hey everyone, this is Claire. So today, Katie and I are going to be following the same recipe for chill pesto noodles, compliments of Bon Appetit, our mutual love, and let's get right into the recipe.
Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm gonna be making the same recipe as my friend who is in Korea, so yeah.
So I'm sure Katie and I will have a little bit different ingredients, but this recipe calls for 4 cups of tender herbs, and then we have some sesame seeds, some chili flakes because I love my spice, and the recipe also calls for 3 halved garlic cloves, and it also calls for jalapenos or Fresno chilies, but I didn't have any of those. So I found these peppercino things, and I really hope that they work. I'm just gonna try one of these because I don't know what it really tastes like, so let's see. Oh! Oh my god! That's definitely spicy. It's gonna work. I love my spice, and that was quite a shocker.
We have cilantro, and we have Italian flat parsley and some basil, which I picked from my mom's garden a few days ago, but now I'm at college, so it's a little bit wilted, but it'll still make a good pesto. I'm peeling some garlic right now. We've got some limes and some rice noodles.
Putting the last of my herbs in the blender, looking gorgeous right there. And some of you may be wondering why I don't have basil in my pesto, because that's usually pesto. And actually I'm in Seoul right now, Seoul, Korea, and there aren't that many places that you could find basil.
It's an interesting angle, but
so while I'm waiting for my water to boil and my sesame seeds and chili flakes to toast, I just started to chop up these bell peppers because we're gonna top them off.
Here is where Claire decided to rant that Snape from the Harry Potter series actually isn't that bad of a guy after all for about 3 minutes straight.
So here we have the pesto, nice and creamy, emulsified.
Okay, so our pesto mixture is done.
so good.
That's all for today. If you have anything else you'd like Claire and I to cook, let us know. We're only an hour apart now, so Cat Dick Cooks, let her eat.